Because I'm actually enjoying all these videos related to Amazon KDP because I noticed that so many people will be like, I want to start this thing, but I don't know how to start. But right now that they are now even getting this particular video, they are knowing more about this KDP. But so many people be like, when are we going to start creating our Facebook? When are we going to start creating our Facebook? Calm down. You don't need to rush because there are so many things. See, there is one mistake that most people used to make is that once they see the dollar online, you see so many people posting different dollars, 3K, 12K, 10K dollars online. Have you asked them what they do? Because behind those particular dollars that you are seeing, there's so many things behind those things. So don't just see only that particular dollar, those particular money that you are seeing online and just like, wow, I love this, I would like to start. If you are not ready to put in the work, I'm not going to lie to you, you might not even make one sales. So let's all right, now this is what we are going to do. Now let's move on to, now I want to create books on Amazon. Now you must not ignore some certain things. Now the first thing is research. I'm going to see all this particular topic. I have a full video on it. I'm going to drop a full video, a complete video on how to do all these things, but I'm going to explain them short at the moment. So talking about research, there are so many people who be like, I don't have title to write about, I don't write people to write title to write on. Sometimes we don't write title we don't just pick any title. Sometimes we remodel titles that are already available on Amazon. So, and also you are going to do your niche research and all of that. From your niche you get your topics and all of that. So let's leave that part. Now talking about content generation, we already know that there are guidelines, there are some rules guiding that particular content you are writing. So you don't need to write your content anyhow. You don't need to write your content very anyhow. So you have to write your content in a way that is going to help people depending on the type of book you are writing, either fiction or non-fiction. If you are writing non-fiction, that means you are writing that particular book to solve a particular problem. Now talking about proofreading and plus formatting, we have proofreading, we have grammar check, we have what's it called, where you I've forgotten. So we have formatting. So make sure you arrange your book very well. Arranging your book very well is what we call formatting. You arrange your book in a way that readers will be able to read it and understand it. Another thing is what book cover plus A+ content. Yes, we are going to have book cover, A+ content. I will explain that. A+ content is just like having your landing page on Amazon. That's just what I call that. We have book publishing. You are going to publish your book. There are step by